Good afternoon, students. So last weeks we up to last week we were discussed about five different units, okay, for power plant engineering, and some more topics we are missed, okay. So that is we are going to discuss in this week, okay. So what are the topics we missed in the five units that is going to be discussed in the coming weeks, okay. So some what do you call some calculations and some problems and some additional information is also required to complete the syllabus of power plant engineering. Okay, so that remaining portions we are going to complete from this week onwards. Okay, right. So first we will see one of the mission topic is biogas power plant. So this is comes under our fourth unit. Okay, so this is under the topic of renewable energy sources. So biogas, you know very well. Okay, with the help of that biogas, we can able to develop the power. Okay, that is we are going to discuss today. That is the today agenda of the session. So in this session, what we are going to discuss is first one, what is the purpose of bioenergy and its overview we are going to discuss. Next, biomass resources, how the biomass can be produced, what are the resources for the biomass, that is we are going to discuss. Then third thing, creating energy from biomass. So with help of that biomass, how we can produce the energy, okay, that is electric energy can be produced, means how it is converted, okay, from biomass. That is we are going to discuss in the topic of creating energy from biomass. After that, the biogas power plant, that is bioelectricity based power plant we are going to finally discuss. So that is the today agenda of the session. As we all know, the sources of biomasses are, you know very well, one is sewage waste, okay, and second one, municipal solid waste. There are lot of waste comes from municipal area that will wastage we can use for production of biomass, and animal wastes, industrial residues wastes, forestry crop residues, agriculture crop residue. So these all are a source of biomass. So from this all we can able to produce the biomass. So that is called source of biomass. So what is biomass? Anybody knows what is biomass? Anybody knows what is biomass?
Sir, food wasteலேருந்து நம்ம தயாரிக்கிற energy.
Okay. Biomass is called one kind of energy source. Okay. So that energy source can be used as a fuel. That biogas or biogas is used as a fuel. That fuel can be used in the power plant as a and further we can produce the power. So by this way, biomass can be used as a source of fuel, right? Right. So how we can get, I already told, with the help of these wastages like sewage waste, municipal waste, animal, industrial, and forestry crop residue waste, and agriculture crop residue waste, we can get the biomass uh, gas. Okay. So if you see the definition for biomass is plants and animals material, expressly agriculture waste product used as a source of fuel. So with help of these source, okay, we can able to create the biomass or we can produce the biomass. So biomass is a source of a fuel. That is the meaning of biomass. Okay. Right. Then first you will see the biomass resources. What are the resources for the biomass? So it is broadly classified into two types. One is called biomass resources developed from energy crops and biomass resources developed with help of waste products. So with help of energy crops, okay, we can get two way. One is woody crops and second one is agriculture crops. So through waste products, we can get the biomass, okay, or we can produce the biomass by different products like wood residues, temperature uh, crop wastage, tropical crop wastage, animal wastage, municipal solid waste, and commercial and industrial waste. By this way, we can produce uh, biomass. So, based upon the waste product from the animal, municipal, commercial, and industrial, okay, we can produce the biomass. Similarly, with help of energy sources also, we can able to produce biomass gas. Okay, so these are the two ways we can develop the biomass. Okay, this is called as biomass resources. Right. Next, types of biomasses. Okay, because we told different type of uh, products we can get the biomass resource. So we can classify the biomass into different types because it is developed with various resources. So we are also categorized type of biomass. So if the biomass is produced from wood, okay, that kind of biomass is called woody based biomass. Similarly, the biomass is produced through carbs means the carb based biomass. Likewise, we are categorized into different types of biomass. So first one is wood, second one is carbs, third one is garbages, fourth one is alcohol fuels, and fifth one is landfill gases. So five different type of biomass gases are okay developed with help of the resources. So based upon the resources, we can develop the biomass gases. Okay. Next, we are moving to bioenergy technologies. What is meant by bioenergy technologies? Anybody have an idea? What is meant by bioenergy technologies? Bioenergy technologies. Anybody have an idea what is meant by students? Is it audible? Students, is it audible to you?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
What is meant by bioenergy technologies? So up to last slide, we were discussed about biomass. Okay. So anybody have an idea about bioenergy technologies? How the bioenergy is developed? Students, please see the slide and now to tell what is meant by bioenergy technologies. You have any idea? Say yes or no, somebody.
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. I will tell you, right. So up to last slide, we were discussed about biomass, okay, how it is produced. Okay, that means biomass is one type of a fuel. Okay, so with help of the fuel, we can able to create the energy, right? So that energy we can call it as bioenergy. So with So what is meant by biomass to know first, okay, how the biomass can be produced, what are the resources we can develop the biogas or biomass, that is we discussed in the second slide. Third slide, what is meant by bioenergy means with the help of the biomass or biogas, we can produce some energy, okay, that the energy can be utilized for various purposes. So based upon that, there are some technologies are used, okay, that technologies we can call it as bioenergy technologies. You got my point? So with the help of biomass, we are developing the energy. So heat is one type of energy, electricity is another type of energy. Okay. So fuel is another type of energy. So we discussed different type of energy. In the first unit itself, we were discussed the energy principle. Okay, how the energy is produced. Energy neither can be created nor destroyed. Energy can be transformed from one form to another form. So biomass has some energy. That energy can be okay transformed into different. Okay, so biomass has some energy, that energy can be produced as a heat, okay, in the form of heat that can be transformed to electric energy with help of some technologies. So that technologies we can call it as bioenergy technology. So heat is one energy, electricity is another energy. With help of heat energy, we can able to produce the electric energy. So by this way, we can convert the energy. So that is called as, okay, how we can convert the heat energy into electricity is nothing but a technology. So what kind of instrument or what kind of conversion is required? So normally that is playing as a important role. That is some component is involved playing an important role for converting the energy from heat to electricity. So these components are okay run based upon some technology. So based upon that, we can able to produce the power. So this is called bioenergy technology. Similarly, bioenergy also has some uh, chemical energy. So that chemical energy is okay in the form of fuel, right? So after the fuel can be combust, okay, that will be created into heat energy. That heat energy can be further converted into electric energy. So biomass has some energy. So what I'm trying to finally I'm going to say is biomass has some energy. That the energy can be converted into different form based upon our requirement with help of some technology. These technologies we can call it as bioenergy technologies. You got my point? So based upon the bioenergy technologies, we are classified into two different types. One is called thermochemical conversion. Second one is called biochemical conversion. So what may be asked, what is mean by thermochemical conversion, sir? So I'm trying to say how, okay, the thermochemical conversion is takes place in a technologies, bioenergy technologies means, okay, with help of some equipment or instrument, we can able to produce the bioenergy, okay, from one form of energy into another form. So bioenergy is in the form of maybe heat means that will be converted to electricity, okay. So by using thermal chemical conversion. Okay, so it is classified into three types. One is called direct combustion, second one is called gasification, third one is called pyrolysis liquefaction. In the direct combustion method, okay, biogas directly in the form of gas state, so that will be goes to a steam turbine. Okay, so automatically the in the steam turbine due to hot condition of your steam turbine, what will happen? The combustion will this takes place. So automatically steam turbine start expansion. So your turbines are protected. With help of that, we can produce the electricity. So this is called direct combustion method. So with help of biomass, we can able to directly combust the biomass After that, with help of the combustion, we can produce the heat. That heat can be utilized to heat up the water and converted into steam. That steam can be utilized in the gas turbine for expansion process, and finally that will create the electricity with help of generator. So this is one way. Another way is gasification. So what is meant by gasification means, so biomass is in the form of gas. That gas can be goes to gas turbine or some methanol hydrogen synthesis process. Okay, with help of and other fuels and process. Okay, used as a fuel that will be okay used for gaseous purpose, and finally that will create the help of that gaseous fuel we can able to run the engine, and finally we can get the electricity. So by this way we can get electricity. And the third method is pyrolysis liquefaction. In that method, again it is in the form of three type. One is gaseous state, biomass in the form of gaseous state. After that, biomass is further is converted into charcoal, and also it changed into liquid state, that is in the form of oil. With help of that, oil is mixed with the diesel, and diesel engine can be run. Finally, we can produce electricity, and with help of charcoal, combustion action will be takes place, and we can finally produce the power, or we can use as a fuel in the uh, power station, and finally it will, with help of that we can produce electricity. Similarly, in the form of gas, again it goes to gas turbine for, as a fuel, and further we can develop the power. So by this way, three thermochemical conversion method we can use biogas, okay, as a uh, fuel for producing the electricity. So this is the first one. And the second one is biochemical conversion. So normally biogas is in the form of gas state. It is further goes to some fermentation process, some extraction process. With help of that, we can able to develop the biogas, similarly ethanol and biodiesel. Okay, by these methods, we can create biogas, ethanol, and biodiesel, and further it can be used as a fuel for an engine, and then finally, with help of that engine, we can produce the electricity. So, by chemical conversion method, we can convert the biomass gas into fuel energy. So, fuel is in the form of chemical energy. Then finally, it is converted into electrical energy. So, that is called biochemical conversion. With help of heat energy, okay, it is converted into electricity. That is called thermochemical conversion. So, what I am trying to say is biogas or biomass is can be converted into electric energy with help of two ways. One way is thermochemical conversion. Second is biochemical conversion. In thermochemical conversion, okay, it is done through three methods. One is direct combustion, second is gasification, third one is pyrolysis. So with help of that method, we can convert the biomass into heat form, and then heat is converted finally into electricity. Okay, this is the first one. And the second method, biochemical conversion. Normally, biomass is in the form of gaseous state. So, with help of three techniques, that is digestion, fermentation, and extraction process, that biomass is converted into okay gases, biogas, ethanol, and biodiesel. After that, it can be used as a fuel. It is in the form of chemical energy. That chemical energy can be okay transformed into electrical energy with help of some engine. Okay, so this is called biochemical conversion. So by these two methods, we can able to produce electricity. So these technique we can call it as bioenergy technologies, right? Any doubt in this? So how bioenergy technologies is used for producing the electricity?
No
So
doubt, sir.
these are the methods for producing the biopower electricity. What are the methods? First one is direct combustion. Direct நம்ம பயோ கேஸை வந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம், எரிச்சு அது மூலியமா we can create the steam. Okay, because if you want to convert water into steam, you need a heat energy. That heat energy you can get with help of biomass. By burning the biomass, we can develop the heat. That heat can be used for convert the water into steam. That steam goes to the steam turbine again. Then steam turbine expansion process, what will happen? Okay, your turbine start rotate. So turbine and generator both are coupled. So generator also rotates. So power can be produced. So this method is called direct combustion. Next one is co-firing method. In co-firing method, biomass used as a fuel. I already told no, with help of charcoal. Okay, so already the coal may be used in a power plant one with help of additional this bio mass with the coal. Okay, and be utilized, and for firing purpose we can use it. So by this way we can minimize the amount of coal usage and mixing with your biomass. Okay, so this is the another way. And third way is gasification. So biomass is completely changed into gaseous. That gas can be utilized for um, run the engine, and finally,
Screen sir off ಆಗಿருக்கு sir.
okay, just a minute, I'll check it.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see, okay, right. So by using direct combustion method, we can burn the biomass and create the steam. That is one way. And the second way, we can mix the biomass with the coal in a coal-based thermal power plant, and finally we can get the power. That is the second way. That is called co-firing. And the third stage, we can make a gasification. That biogas is formed from biomass that will goes to engine to run the engine with the help of biogas. We can develop the power. That is the third method. And the fourth one is pyrolysis. Pyrolysis means again it will transform into biodiesel. Okay, like biogas changed into biodiesel with help of trans-esterification process. That is called pyrolysis. So normally methane gases are produced, or some ethanol based gases are produced with help of this pyrolysis process. And further, the ethanol based okay, fuel can be used as a uh, uh, alternative fuel for the engine, and finally we can develop the power. So that method is called pyrolysis. And last one is digestion method. Anaerobic anaerobic digestion. With help of that we can able to create the biogas. Okay, that will create the biogas, and directly it can be used as a biofuel. Okay, so with help of this we can able to develop the power. So these are the five different methods we can use it for power production. Here you can see one type of power plant. This is direct combustion method. So what I am told, what is mean by direct combustion means directly biomass can be used, okay, as a fuel, and the water can be heated up with help of this combustion process. So water gets heated up means water changes into steam. That steam can be utilized for power generation in the turbine, and generator will develop the power. So this method is called biomass direct combustion. So in this method, the important component is shown in the figure. The first one is bale handling. That is mean bio fuel is in the form of, okay, uh, uh, like a boxes, okay, box shaped structure bio wastes can be kept in the conveyor. Okay, so the chain conveyor can be used, okay, to transport the um, biofuel from storage to the um, stocker area. Okay, so in that, okay, the combustion will be in the stocker area means, okay, vibrating reactor and preheating air. Okay, everything is provided in that area of combustion chamber. So in that combustion chamber area, your biomaterial is born. With help of that, we can produce the heat energy. So and again, it will goes to that heat energy goes to your boiler area. Okay, so the boiler is further it is heated up with help of this heat, and automatically high pressure steam is produced with help of the boiler, and that steam goes to steam turbine. So expansion process is takes place. Due to that, what will happen? A turbine start rotated. If turbine and generator both are coupled means the turbine rotation is again it is rotate the generator, so power will be produced. So that power can be used for uh, some various purposes. Okay, and the remaining of gases are low pressure, low temperature gases. Again, that will goes to the boiler. Okay, with help of the heat exchanger unit, again heat will be exchanged. Like this, this cycle is goes. And in the same coal-based thermal power plant, okay, it is similar to here. Okay, so your coal-based and biomass direct combustion-based power plant both are same. Only the fuel in coal-based thermal power plant is coal. Here, biomass as a fuel. So these are the two different uh, power plant. Okay. So if it is coal is used as a fuel means that is a coal-based power plant. If biomass is used as a fuel means that is a biomass-based power plant. And again, similarly, ash also formed due to the combustion. So again, you have to dispose the ash on proper manner. So the remaining things are same. Only the fuel is normally instead of coal, we are using here as a biomass. Okay, so the fuel is in the form of biomass at solid state. That is very important. So solid state waste maybe you converted into biomass. That waste can be utilized for combustion. Right? Here you can see another one type of power plant that is called MSW power plant. So in that power plant also you can see instead of your coal, okay, here coal along with your uh, biomass also both are mixed together and it will feed it into the hopper. Okay, that hopper delivered the uh, fuel, that is biomass plus coal, both will be mixed together and it will be sent to your combustion chamber, and combustion will be takes place. So heat energy will be produced. With help of that heat energy we can develop the power, and similarly again your waste will be there. That waste can be uh, you can dispose with help of slag removal process. Okay, and remaining things are same. With help of flue gases, okay, you have to properly treat because due to the combustion of coal with uh, biomass, definitely some fly ash content and some toxic gases may be produced that can be treated before sent it to the atmosphere through chimney. So these are the important aspects of MSW power. So like this, biomass can be used for power production. So these two methods are very, very popular for producing the power. So today we discuss about what is meant by biomass, what are the resources for biomass, and next we discuss about biopower, bioenergy technologies, and finally we discuss about how the biopower can be utilized for electricity. There are two methods only today we discuss. One is called direct combustion method, second one is called co-firing method. Okay, so direct combustion method, we can able to produce the power with help of direct combustion. Okay, that means instead of coal, we are using biomass as a fuel. So with help of the firing or combustion process, we can get the heat that can that heat can be utilized for generation of power. Okay, so similar like a coal-based thermal power plant. But whereas in the second type of power plant, that is co-firing method, along with your coke, okay, your biogas, sorry, biomass can be added with coal, that both will be mixed together and it will store in the coal bunker area with help of copper device. It is both are mixed and it will be sent to your combustion chamber area. So with help of combustion process, we can develop the heat. That heat can be placed for power generation. And finally, due to the combustion, definitely a toxic gas and a slag, okay, that is nothing but ash is formed. So that will be properly disposed. So before send it to the flue gas, okay, it should be cleaned because due to the combustion, definitely a toxic gas may be produced. So that will be treated with help of some air uh, purification process. With help of that, we can send it to the we can send the pure gases to the non-toxic gases to the atmosphere. And frequently, ashes should be removed with help of slag removal. So these are the aspects, important aspects in the second co-firing based power plant or MSW power plant. So next steps we are going to discuss about the another different type of biogas power plant and what are the benefits. Okay, how the biogases are formed. Okay, everything we are going to discuss in the next class. So up to this we covered the power plant, biogas power plant. On next class we will see the remaining things. Okay, if you have any doubt now you can ask.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. And just a minute.
Yes.